Hey, how's it going, people? I know I got this set weird, the angle and the depth of this camera right now, but I'm just doing that because I've already got it set so when I get up to the TV, you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. I've got a bug on the inside of my LED TV, Sony TV, 75-inch. It's, you see here, just do a scan. It's got a bug on the inside, and I'll rub my finger on the screen and you'll see that it is actually a bug. It's a dead bug on the inside of my LED TV screen. And Sony isn't going to give me any help for it. They say they don't cover it. I've only got the TV like 4 months. So now we're going to go up to the TV and I'm going to show you this thing. And I had a hard time focusing in on this thing before. But yeah, it should focus in on it now. Because I did have a problem focusing in on it earlier. I'm hoping it's going to do it now. It doesn't want to do it. It just doesn't. I'm going to try here to see if it will. Then you should be able to see that it's a bug. Try and take the shakiness out of it here. It just doesn't seem to want to. Oh, there we go. There we go. We can see that now. I know it's probably going a little funky, but you can see now that it's a bug. And I'm going to rub my finger over this thing to show you. It's on the inside. It's on the inside of the screen. Yeah, that's kind of weird, eh? Kind of weird. So, you know, it must have happened, I think, at the factory. And it's dead. It's just sitting there, as you can see. Anyways, I'm having a hard time holding this phone. But yeah, so you can see that it's a bug on the inside of my LED screen. It's just too bad. Anyways, that has a nice close-up of it, and I can zoom back to where I'm regular here now to show you the whole TV. Yeah, nice big 75-inch LED screen TV by Sony, and they're not going to help me out with it on the support part of it. So buyer beware. You might want to think twice about buying a Sony TV. Either the units aren't sealed properly, or they have bugs crawling in on them when they're putting them together at the factory. They drop down later on around your frame of the TV. So anyways, yeah, I thought I'd do a video for you guys and let you know. Buyer beware. Thanks. Bye-bye.